How to rotate the video in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can rotate the video in Capcut. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, make sure that your Capcut application is up to date. Now open your Capcut application. Once you open your Capcut application, here you will see this type of interface. Under the project section, here you can see all the videos that I have initially added. So in order to rotate the video, just click on any one of them. Once you are on this page, now again click on that video. Once you click on that video, at the bottom of the screen toolbar, here you can see different tools. Scroll on the toolbar until you see the option of transform. Click on it. Again, here you will see three different options at the bottom of the screen. Click on the second option, rotate, and the video will be rotated. If you again want to rotate the video in different directions, just click on that rotate option again. And there you have it. In this simple way, you can rotate the video in Capcut. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.